Hello all. Today, let us learn a concept called variables. What is a variable? A variable is a name given to memory location. During execution, it can change the value. Just like in any programming language, Python also uses variables. So, how to declare a variable in Python? To declare a variable, we can use the variable name, assignment, and value. For example, a equal to 10. So this is how we can declare a variable. What will happen when we are declaring a equal to 10? In a memory location, 10 will be stored with a name a. This is how variables are getting stored. For example, we are creating a variable a. In that variable, we can store a value 10. In Python, there is no need to explicitly specify data types. In other languages, we must have to specify data type before using a variable. Languages like C and Java, they are strictly typed, which means before using, we must have to specify the data type, variable name, equal to, which is an assignment operator, and value. This is how we will declare in other variables. In Python, we can directly declare a variable with name like a equal to 10, and we can directly print and display the value by using print function. Let us see in the code. Let us execute this part as part of our Python program. For this, we can use different editors like ideally VS Code. I'm creating a variable a and assigning value 10 there itself. And I'm trying to display the value print a. So this is how we can display a variable. I'm saving it with a name. Now I'm trying to run the code. Value 10 is displayed here. This is how we can work with the variables. Now I can assign a value to a variable like equal to 20. Whenever I'm changing the value, it is updated in the memory and the value is now 20, which you can see here. The initial value is 10, that is called initialization, and the second time what we are assigning, that is called assignment. So if we are providing value to a variable for the first time, that is called initialization. From second time onwards, it is called as assignment. So now 20 is assigned to variable a. Whenever we print, that will be displayed. This is how values in the variables are updated during the execution. So now we are trying to assign multiple values to the variables. So how to assign multiple values? Suppose I am taking multiple variables like ABC and assigning values 10, 20, 30. So these values are assigned to multiple variables. So this is how with the comma separation and assignment we can provide values to variables. So Python support assignment values to multiple variables at a time. So here comes our concept assignment and initialization. Previously we discussed. What does it mean by assignment? Providing values. What does it mean by initialization? We are giving value to the first time, the initial time, initialization. From second time onwards, we are assigning values. That is called assignment. In case of variables, we need to remember the two things, initialization and assignment. Initialization means we are providing value to the variable for the first time. Assignment means we are providing value to the variable from the second time onwards. And after initialization and assignment, we are assigned multiple values to the variables. Okay. And we are also checking strictly typed nature and dynamic typed nature, whether Python falls under which category. Python is a dynamically typed programming language. How we say that Python is dynamically typed? In Python, suppose I am declaring a variable a equal to 10 print a that is displayed as integer variable. Now I declared a variable a as 10.2, I'm assigning float value. Whenever I print, this is now assigned with float value. We are not typecasting here. So Python is dynamically typed. If it is other language like C or Java, we might have explicitly given that, or we might have typecast. Here now I'm trying an attempt equal to hello, a string, and I'm displaying it. So what happened here, we can see clearly. Whatever the data type we are assigning, that is taken by Python and displayed in the print functions. So like that here, I have declared a variable a as integer, float, and string. And if you want to visualize what is happening, I want to see how the values are dynamically assigned. That's what we can do with a website called pythontutor.com. With the help of pythontutor.com, we can see how the variables are behaving, how the calculations are happening. For example, I'm opening pythontutor.com. I'm selecting a programming language Python, and now I'm writing code in the editor. I'm declaring a variable a and assigning value 10, b assigned to 20. I'm writing print statement a plus b. This is the simple code what I have written. Let us see how visualization works. So here I am running the code. Arrow, you can see a is assigned with 10, the block, memory block 10. Value 20 is assigned to b, that is the second variable. Then we are moving to print statement. The result is displayed in the output window as 30. So this is how, with the help of Python tutor, we can visualize the small code or programs, the logics, whatever we are writing, how the values and variables are assigned, all can be seen here. So this is how we can work with variables, and there is something called pythontutor.com. It's all for today. Thank you.
Share and subscribe to my channel.